Hi, my name's John Fortson. I grew up in a small town and was interested in mechanical things and in particular cars at a very early age. And I started driving at about 11 or 12 years old. I bought my first car when I was 14 years old, and it was a 1950 Mercedes, and learned how to start repairing things on a grand scale on that. And then over the course of my life, I've probably owned over 200 cars. Everything from cars that have been in movies to rare automobiles, some that you would have never heard of, but I had an interest in all of them. And as a matter of fact, anything that had wheels and a steering wheel, I went to see, even if it was in a box. Learned how to repair things, work on cars, work on the bodies, and I was always intrigued by the panel beating trade, as they call it, which is how they originally made some of the rarest cars when they were one-off bodies and they were all handmade. And there are still a few artisans that do that today. I don't consider myself an artisan, but I enjoy trying to be one. I'm now 70 years old, and I'm probably on the downhill side of collecting cars, but I still enjoy working on them and going to museums and things like that and talking about them and going to car shows. It's been an important part of my life. It's been probably what I considered my only real hobby, and I wish it would have been my vocation instead of my avocation, but nonetheless, I've enjoyed it, and it's afforded me a lot of pleasure over the years. I feel really fortunate because I had friends, including my father, that always dreamt of what they would do when they retired, and then never made it to retirement or were disabled and never got to do their dream. And so I'm really lucky. I'm doing my dream, and it's out here in the garage every day. It's just a matter of whether or not I choose to go out. So not many, I guess maybe not many people can say that.
Certainly.
Is that a good explanation?
Yeah, absolutely.